Hi everyone, hello, this is your math educator Shivangi Rajput.
Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Anupriya, your social science educator.
And tell them why we are here today, what we are going to tell them today.
Okay, so बच्चा लोग आज फिर से हम लोग आ गए because this is Sunday and you guys need some motivation to start your week in a fresh way. So today me and Shivangi ma'am we have come up with a new way in which we can motivate you. And what happened Shivangi ma'am, जैसे कि मान लो कभी आप डीमोटिवेटेड फील करते हो, काफी लो फील करते हो, तो कभी ना कभी तो आप YouTube पे जाते हो, नहीं तो TEDx टॉक्स कुछ तो ऐसा देखते हो
Sandeep
जहां पर आप
Maheshwari, right?
कुछ फेमस पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में पढ़ते हो,
Yes.
है ना? तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है। तो आज हम बच्चों को भी कुछ फेमस पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में बताते हैं वन बाय वन, जिनके बारे में उन्हें पता होना चाहिए दैट दे आल्सो फेस्ड फेलियर इन लाइफ
We
बट
are not going
नथिंग
to
स्टॉप।
tell about the famous personalities, but we are going to tell about the struggles they had in becoming that famous personality. So this is the difference, student, because success तो मैंने आपको already बोला है, सबको पता होता है. No one post, मतलब अगर आप सोशल मीडिया पे भी हो, कहीं पे भी हो, नो वन पोस्ट देयर फेलियर, दे ओनली पोस्ट द सक्सेस. तो वही कहते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया से इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होना चाहिए. बट अभी हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कुछ कुछ फेमस पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में कि यू शुड ऑल्सो नो कि सब लोग वही है. समझ रहे हो, स्टार्ट सबका वही है. इट इज द जर्नी विच मैटर्स. सो वही हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं, द जर्नी. ओके, तो पहली जर्नी हम किसकी शेयर करने वाले हैं?
आई थिंक आर यू हैरी पॉटर फैन शिवांगी मैम?
So you'll kill me for this, but okay, yeah, so.
ओके, सो बच्चा लोग आई गेस कि बहुत सारे बच्चे हैरी पॉटर सीरीज वो पूरी बुक पढ़ी होगी, मूवीज देखी होगी, मतलब आई वाज अ बिग फैन ऑफ हैरी पॉटर होल सीरीज हियर. सो यहाँ पर हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द ऑथर ऑफ हैरी पॉटर सीरीज हियर. क्या आपको उनका नाम पता है?
J.K. Rowling's.
या चलो, इसमें आप करेक्ट हो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम जेके रोलिंग की बात करते हैं, सबको उनके बारे में पता ही होगा डेफिनेटली. सो हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट द स्ट्रगल दैट शी हैज टू फेस? I mean, you all have watched Harry Potter series, but क्या आपको पता है कि before publishing the first book of the Harry Potter series, उनकी बहुत सारी books को पहले rejection मिला था. So J.K. Rowling, she had to face a lot of rejections before her first book of Harry Potter series. It was published in the year 1995. And it was not the end of her career, it was the beginning of her career. Imagine कि first book पे उनका pen name लिखा गया था JK Rowling, so that no one can identify the gender, so that boys could read that book, right? So with that mindset, JK Rowling को कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा that she should now give up. In fact, उन्होंने कितनी सारी series लिखी, and that's why everyone's a big fan of Harry Potter series here, right? So when we are talking about JK Rowling, आपको यहाँ से क्या motivation लेना है? That life में struggles आएंगे, it is a never ending process. You guys just need to go beyond that, right? You need to face that struggle, right? And after that you need to work on that. And success is something जो कि एक दिन में नहीं होता. जैसे हमारे प्यारे बच्चे श्रेयांश ने बोला था, that is one thing everyone should remember. This is step by step process जो कि JK Rowling ने किया, and this was the foundation of her success. And today she is one of the millionaires and one of the famous authors of the world here, राइट? तो अब हम चलते हैं अपने सेकंड पर्सनालिटी की तरफ. तो शिवांगी मैम, जल्दी से बच्चों को बताओ.
Okay, so the second personality which I want to talk about is no celebrity, no writer, but a very good person and a very famous person itself. Sundar Pichai, नाम तो सुना होगा. Not Ram,
बिल्कुल.
but Sundar Pichai, नाम तो सुना होगा. All right, so starting with his journey, when I read about him, basically he was born in Tamil Nadu in a very so middle class family. Like he used to sleep with his brother in the drawing room. Like their financial condition was this bad कि उनके father को to buy a scooter he has to save for 3 years. उन्होंने 3 साल उसके लिए पैसे जोड़े थे, 3 साल बाद जाके he got a scooter. And after that, but he was very studious school से ही, and he just passed it from IIT. He did his engineering, and after that he did it from the other foreign university, I guess Stanford say. And then he worked somewhere, then he worked again for the MBA, then he did his MBA. So the point here being, and उनके घर में पहला टेलीफोन भी तब आया था when he was 14 years old. He cannot get admission in the foreign university, he got that on scholarship basis. So if you people have this thing that no, we are from a very middle class family, इससे हमें basically सीखने को क्या मिलता है? that if you guys think कि we are not monetary like इतने ज़्यादा strong है कि financially हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा strong नहीं है, but still you can always work hard. Scholarships are there. There are a lot of things which you can, take advantage from, to be very honest, right? So look for that thing, look for that, small thing which can actually take you to a university beyond like India se bhi bahar. Yeah, India ke bhi top universities mein you can get the admission through that things. So try and, research things about that, because everyone has that phase. No one is always born with a silver spoon in his or her mouth. So you have to do that, hard work wala cheese to get that thing if you are really worth it. क्या
Wow.
समझी?
Amazing.
समझी? Okay, next बताओ.
बिल्कुल. नेक्स्ट तो मेरे माइंड में आ रहा है, अच्छा ये बताओ, बादशाह बॉलीवुड कौन है शिवांगी मैम? हु इज बादशाह बॉलीवुड?
राहुल, नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Sorry, Raj. Not Rahul, it's Raj. Raj, Rahul.
नहीं,
Raj.
इट्स राहुल.
It's Raj.
Raj. I'm also confused. Rahul.
Okay, let's go
Let
ahead.
students decide that in the comment section. Okay.
Okay, it's Raj or Rahul.
ये नाम तो सुना होगा. इज अ परफेक्ट डायलॉग जो कि शिवांगी मैम ने एकदम करेक्ट पहचाना. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नन अदर देन शाहरुख खान. सो एवरीवन नोज इट, लाइक ही डजंट नीड एनी इंट्रोडक्शन. बट क्या आपको शाहरुख खान की अर्ली लाइफ के बारे में पता है बच्चों? Do you know that he lost his father at a very young age? He died out of because of cancer, and also after few years, his mother also departed. Now he was left with his sister. Right, she also went into depression, and right now Shah Rukh Khan, he was the caretaker of this family. He just had his sister beside him. Now imagine the situation here, and अगर आप इस जगह पे होते, बहुत सारे लोग हार जाते, demotivate हो जाते, they would feel like कि what to do next. This is the end of the story. But Shah Rukh Khan today is the Badshah of Bollywood, just because उनके वो एक मिडिल क्लास से बिलोंग करते थे. He was not born with a silver spoon, जैसे कि शिवांगी मैम ने बोला, but only with his hard work, with the dedication, with the consistency. He said that nothing is ever impossible. Everything could be attained. Only you need to be consistent, and you should be passionate about it. That is what Shah Rukh Khan did, and today he made himself the king of Bollywood here. Not only in Bollywood, he is so famous in Hollywood, and everywhere he has his famous pose, which you can't see here, but you can imagine in your mind. तो शाहरुख खान से आपको ये समझना है ना? शाहरुख खान से आपको ये समझना है.
One thing from this story, I have read it somewhere कि like once Shah Rukh Khan was in the school and he was asked to tell about his dreams. So he told about each and everything, and his teacher told him on his face that no, these dreams are so unrealistic, you cannot achieve it. Just think, अगर आपको कोई ये चीज बोले, आप कितना demotivated feel करोगे. But he actually took that demotivation, उसको unstoppable form में उसने उसको लिया, and he actually worked hard for it. It was really nice.
I know. Do you know, Shivangi ma'am, when he first went to Mumbai, right? When Shah Rukh Khan first went to Mumbai, he did not have a place to stay. वो 5-star hotels के सामने street पे he used to sleep for I don't know so many nights. He used to sleep in front of the 5-star hotels. और वो Marine Drive पे, I've seen one interview जहाँ पर उन्होंने बोला था कि Marine Drive पे he was just standing clueless. He had no idea करना क्या है, and he said that one day I'm gonna rule at this place and see where he is today. Right.
Optimism,
so this
right?
is something magical. Yes, matlab with no Bollywood background, with nothing, but still he rules somewhere in hearts of people as well. This is his, the groundness, the humble groundness that he has till today. कि मतलब इतने बड़े होने के बाद भी I still have that respect for him. कि उनका जो basic एक humbleness है, जो interviews में दिखता है, लोगों के द्वारा हमें पता चलता है, तो बच्चा लोग भी ये सीख सकता है. आप लोग सीढ़ी के ऊपर कभी भी IAS, IPS कुछ भी बन जाओ, but end of the day जो अपनी humility है ना, we should never lose that. This is one thing that you guys need to learn, because this is going to make you the biggest person in the world. ठीक है? अब शिवांगी मैम नेक्स्ट बताओ जल्दी से.
Okay, so next let's talk about, okay, we have talked about the financial condition. Now let's talk about the condition if you are not born in that sense. For example, if we talk about Albert Einstein, so he was born with a very बहुत काफी अलग सा, he has something head and each and everything, he had something very elongated sort of thing, but then after some time it went normal, and by the age of 4 he did not even speak a single word. So his parent had this thing, will he ever speak or not? But after that thing, he started speaking, and he's a school dropout. He dropped out the school at 15, just imagine. But
Oh,
after that, he had like this thing in him that I can do. He actually mastered calculus by 15. But for school mein he was not, that bounded sort of student ki nahi मेरे को इस चार दीवारी में नहीं पढ़ना. So he dropped out school, feeling that he will move to some other place and then he'll study. But going to some other place, he actually gave the entrance exam which he failed. He failed an entrance
oh,
exam just because he masters physics and maths, but there are rest of the subjects, right, which he has to give. And then on the second attempt, he actually cleared the things, and then he went into the university, studied there, and he was a very brilliant student. His professor knew, but उसके बाद भी मतलब जब उसने ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट की, अपनी स्टडीज कंप्लीट की, then he was looking for a job. He did not have a job for a decade. Did you get that? Decade means 10 years that he did not have any job. And his
oh
teachers were
my,
not promoting him just because they were like, okay, you're brilliant, we know that, but you are not obedient. एक होता है ना थोड़ा humbleness वाला. Might be he was very frustrated or something. So he actually then got a work as a clerk somewhere. And he was very happy with the job. Guess why?
why?
Just
Because
because he was able to, that job was very easy, and वो easy job करने के बाद he had ample of time to do self study, to do research. So he was happy कि चाहे कुछ भी job में मिल रहा है, I'm earning something or the other, but I have my time to do my studies and research. So this is how his
wow,
journey came, and everyone now know his theory of relativeness and
the
relativeness.
greatest mathematician, yeah,
Okay,
of all
and
the
the
time.
famous formula, yeah. So this is all about Albert Einstein.
आई नो. सो आज हमने बच्चों को चार पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में बताया एंड दे ऑल बिलोंग टू डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. हमने जेके रोलिंग के बारे में बात किया. शी इज ऑथर,
Right,
अ फेमस ऑथर. Then we talked about Sundar Pichai, CEO. Then we talked about Shah Rukh Khan, Bollywood king star here. Then we talked about Albert Einstein. Oh my God. तो यहाँ पर बच्चा लोग, आप लोग चार अलग अलग फील्ड में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में अभी हमारे थ्रू जाने, या फिर हो सकता है आपको पहले से पता होगा या कुछ फैक्ट्स नहीं पता होंगे, बट स्टिल आपको यहाँ पर ये मोटिवेशन आज लेकर जाना है दैट हार्ड वर्क, कंसिस्टेंसी, द द कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू, इट शुड नेवर लेसन डाउन. हमेशा बढ़ते रहना चाहिए, कभी कमना नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में. ठीक है, डिफिकल्टीज आएंगे, पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ, है ना शिवांगी मैम? हमारी लाइफ में नहीं
बेसिकली
आते क्या?
जो भी अगर लगता है कि वो कमी है, तो ये मत सोचो कि ये कमी है तो मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. ट्राई कि ये कमी है तो मेरी आगे वाली जनरेशन को ये कमी ना हो. बस ये सोचो एंड कर दो, हो सकता है.
I know.
मुमकिन है.
And you guys should always remember, I mean, I always follow this in my life. जैसे मैं और शिवांगी मैम जब वाईटी फेस्टिवल होता है, शिवांगी मैम, मैं तो इस चीज से अपने आप को मोटिवेट करती हूँ कि we took 5 sessions. I mean, this is something crazy. एक दिन में ऐसे करना है ना, but never give up वाला idea. I mean, हमसे भी थोड़ा ले लो बच्चा लोग motivation. We never give up. I mean, it's not कि I'll say that, oh, I'm not feeling well, I can't do it. I try to do it even if I'm not feeling well. So Shivangi ma'am does the same. So we both try to inculcate that in our lives. और आप हमारे बच्चे हो यहाँ पर, तो आपको भी अपने लाइफ में ये फॉलो करना अब आपके लाइफ में काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप एक काफी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ पे आ चुके हो, तो हमेशा मोटिवेटेड रहो, हमेशा खुश रहो. और कमेंट सेक्शन में क्या लिखना है बच्चों को आप जल्दी से बता दो शिवांगी मैम.
राज और राहुल, पहला तो ये, और दूसरा ये कि आपको कौन सी ऐसी फेमस पर्सनालिटी है जो बहुत ज्यादा मोटिवेट करती है, जो आपके लिए बेसिकली एक आइडल टाइप्स है, वो आप हमें बताओ, सो दैट वी कैन नो कि आप लोगों को कौन मोटिवेट करके रखा है लाइफ में. ऑलराइट, कमेंट इट डाउन, लाइक भी कर देना. ऑलराइट, टेक केयर, बाय, थैंक यू सो मच.
बाय बच्चों, थैंक यू.